Hi guys! Kamusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at si-paano rin tayo ni bell button doon sa baba para updated kayo kung meron ako mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel. At para sa video ito, another reaction video na naman ang gagawin ko. So magre-react ako guys dito sa SB19 and Be First. And sobrang excited ako guys na mapanood to. Alam niyo naman ako guys na I'm a huge fan of SB19 at ng Be First. Kaya hello sa lahat ng fans ng SB19 out there, mga co-18. At hello din sa fans ng Beepers out there, mga co-bestie. Samahan niyo ako na mag-react dito. At mag-umpisa na tayo without further ado. Let's begin in 1, 2, 3, go. Tara, play na natin. Alright, alright. Guys, napanood niyo na ba yung kanila? Yung kanilang collaboration, yung music video, sobrang ganda. So here we go.
Hello po mga kaayos, ako nga po pala si Pablo.
You know,
What's up?
Pablo,
Ako po
si Justin,
Ako po si Josh.
si Josh,
Ako po si Ken.
si Ken,
Magandang araw, ako po si Stel.
Stel.
SB19! Yes, sir!
Yes,
And we are
sir.
also very excited to welcome on the IO stage, Be First!
Yes.
Hi, it's in the Philippines. We are
Reviewers.
Yeah, I'm Ryuhei. Nice to meet you.
I'm Sota.
Sota.
Nice to meet you. I'm Reo.
Si Leo. Shinto.
I'm Junon.
Junon, may bias record. Manato, may bias.
Yeah, we're so excited performing with the SB19.
Oh.
Yes, yes. And actually, it's the first time to visit Philippines. Yes.
Yeah.
So I'm so happy that I can see many fans in Philippines. Right?
Hello.
Yeah, thank you.
I'm a huge fan of you
You have
guys.
so many fans over there. Kasama rin natin ang translator nila na si Isaac.
Isaac.
That was such a powerful collaboration between P-pop and J-pop. Nakasama po ng SB19 ang grupong Be First nung mag-perform sila sa Dance Universe Never Killed or Dunked sa Yokohama, Japan. How did this partnership start? Ken?
Of course po, last year po kasi nakapag-perform po ako sa Dunk before, so that's where I get to know them. And then our fans, sila yung nag-push talaga for this collaboration. That's why. And then like, yung management po namin talaga yung tumulong din po para mangyari yung collaboration na to. And that's why we are so happy na
Galing.
natupad yung collaboration na to.
All right. Thank you, fans. Junon?
Yeah, last year Ken and I TikTok together at the Japanese event. After that, 18 and our friend Bestie became closer, and that led to our song collaboration.
Yeah.
right.
Yeah! So guys, why did you choose this collaboration? For SB19, why Be First? And Be First, why SB19?
Siguro po, syempre, yun nga po yung goal ng SB19 is to go global, to introduce Filipino music. And syempre, yung pakikipag-collaborate with Be First, talaga namang something na ina-aspire din namin kasi makikita mo na same kami ng vision, same kami ng passion
Yeah.
pagdating sa pagpapalaganap ng sarili naming kultura, and to be able to perform on the same stage as them it's a very amazing. Tapos sa harap po ng mga Hapon, mga Japanese na talaga namang nakikikanta, nakikisayaw sa amin. It's a very proud moment for SB19 and of course to Be First.
Yes.
Nice.
At syempre, di ba po, naniniwala po talaga kami sa talento ng mga Asian artists, and we want to strengthen it, and not just through this collaboration but through our cultural exchange.
Yes.
So po, it means syempre na maraming bagay na kahit hindi po kayo nagkakaintindihan, iba na yung kultura, it brings music, it brings people together through this music.
Sota?
Yeah, because we share the same goal of bring our music and culture to the world.
Thank you very much.
Grabe naman. SB19 sa Beepers, no, in one frame. At ang ganda ng collaboration nila. Sobrang na-amaze ako, guys. Sobrang galing nila. Alright, kung nagkasan nyo to, guys, pinyo ito malaking likes, mag-comment kayo kung meron kayong mga request na video na pwede kong gawin dito sa aking channel. Bye po!